Welcome to my channel. My name is Naomi Star. This is Billy with the blue beak, and this is Barbie. I named Billy after Billy Idol because I am a fan of his and I love dancing to his music, and I called Barbie because I love the song that Billie Eilish sang for What Was I Made For the movie Barbie, and I spelt Billie I-E to match Barbie, and because of Billie Eilish, so it kind of all goes in really well, and I'm so lucky. They give me so much love. This is like so special. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. They're so cute and little, but they got such big spirits, and they trust and they love, and they just want to be. They just want to live and be and do their job, and when that's their little home up there, it's quite, so they've got those two big pink trees, and they've got driftwood from the beach, and the cage is there, but just to support everything, and the food's in there, but it's just open. They don't really live in there. They perch themselves up in the tree and sleep in that at night. They're so happy at the moment. That's like happiness. Yeah. They love the attention. And I'm pretty sure they like looking at themselves in the phone. They're like, oh, look at that good looking couple. They're probably wondering, I don't know, they're just happy and you definitely, you receive so much from animals and from plants, believe it or not. The more you put into animals and the more you put into plants, the more you receive in return. So meaning, if you really, really care a lot for your animals, you receive a lot in return, where they give you so much trust and loyalty, and you don't need to worry about cages and locking them up and stuff like that, including dogs. Hello. And with plants, just pooped on the floor. With plants, same. If you really because I eat plants, I'm a plant-based eater, you put work and love into growing them. I think she's about to do poop as well. And you get good rewards out of they give you back really good fruits on it. So you got to take care of Mother Earth's gifts. Don't you, Billy? Gonna say hello to everybody? You gonna say hello to everybody? Oh, hello everybody. Anyway, I'm gonna go now. This could last forever, otherwise they just love the attention. I hope you enjoyed it, and hey Billy, the sun looks beautiful there. Yeah, makes you look very handsome. Yeah, I hope you have a beautiful day, and if you haven't already, could you subscribe, please? And just be amazing, shine big, love yourself, take care of yourself, and call your mother. Shine out. Bye for now.